I'm going to talk about what is box and whisker plot. So box and whisker plot is one way of visualizing data. An example to understand, the first thing you need to do is that you need to sort your data or keep your data in ascending order. This is a data series. It starts with 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 13, 16, 19, 22, 24 and 25. So it's already in ascending order. Once we have this data in ascending order, so let's just take a count. So what is the middle number out of this 11 numbers? 13 is the middle number because this comes at 6. This is a sixth number. So 13 is the middle number. So we call that as the median. If you take the middle number between the first and the median, which is 5, 7, 9, 10, 12. So 9 is the middle number. So this is called the quantile 1. Quantile 1 or Q1 in short. Okay, and then take the middle number between the median and the last number, which is 25, right? So this is the middle number between 13 and 25, right? We call it as Q3 or quantile 3, right? So here is the way we plot it. So here is an x-axis. We have numbers from 5 to 25, so 5 being the lowest number and 25 being the highest number. So we create a box between 9 to 22 and we'll mark the middle, which is the median, like this, and then we create a box like this. So the box contains numbers between 9 to 22. Create the whiskers. So whiskers are nothing but the lines stretching from the Q1 to the lowest number to the Q1, and then from Q3 the highest number. So these are known as the whiskers, and then we have created the box, hence it's known as box and whiskers. By looking at the kind of data that lies between your Q1 and Q3, you'll be able to sort of understand the distribution of data and where the data is concentrated mostly. So you can use different statistical softwares like R, SAS, SPSS to create box plot. So how do we create a box plot for a single variable? So for that we'll use the function box plot, and then inside that we'll use it for height first. Alright, so box plot, and then inside it's height. So height is the variable for which we want the box plot. Alright, so this is the box plot. You can see the median here. The dark line is the median, and then the lower part of the box is the 25 percentile, and the upper side of the box is the 75 percentile, and the whiskers are connected from 25 percentile to 0th percentile and from 75 percentile to the 100 percentiles. Alright, so that's for a single variable. We can also do it for multiple variables. Okay, so how do we do that? So box plot, we'll use the same function. We'll use two variables at the same time. Alright, we have box plot for two variables. One is for height and the other one is for weight. So this one is for height and the lower one is for the weight. We may want to have a comment or the subject of this plot. So what we can do is that we can label this box plot with a name as, let's say, box plot of height and weight, right? So this is what we want it as a label, right? Okay, it shows error. Okay, so we'll use the keyword main. Alright, now you can see the label on the plot. This is how you can create box plot in R.